Gina with WTI, and I want to tell you about my favorite new pair of blue jeans. These are the signature style skinny jeans from Levi's. They're so comfortable, got a little bit of a stretch to them, and they just fit really well. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and have a pear shape, and I got the size 6 standard length. This is the perfect length for me. They're not too long, not too short. They look really good with a pair of ankle booties, or they're skinny enough that I can wear them with my knee-high boots without having any kind of bulk, which I really, really like because I wear a lot of knee-high boots in the wintertime. I got the color Bay. It's kind of a graduated color blue jeans, and I really like that. It gives it a little bit of depth of color, and they're really cute. They match a lot of different outfits. These do fit really well, and I like that there is extra room around the waist. I could easily wear a belt with this. I don't feel constricted at all, which I like. Of course, that makes it more comfortable. And I really like the pattern on the back of the pockets. I think it's super cute. These are really great jeans just for everyday use. You can dress them up or dress them down. They are just amazing, and that's my point of view.